Good evening traders and Assalamu alaikum. This is Rana from UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay. Today I'm gonna do the forecasting of gold. Before I start guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming videos. And let's start over guys. Today we have FOMC statement, Fed rates and FOMC press conference. So according to Fed rate forecast, the Fed rate is gonna be decreased from 2.50 to 2.25. So what's gonna impact on the market if the Fed rate is actually decreased? The dollar is gonna weak. But if it will be stable or the Fed rates increase, then dollar will go up. So what we are expecting from gold, as you can see guys, right now gold is here. So if the Fed rates decrease, so I'm expecting gold to go up. Anything above 1445, that's our sell area. That's how it will enter and sell. Maybe it will go up to 1450, 1455. So we can short from here. But if the Fed rate will be stable or it will go up, the Fed rates will go up, then the gold will fall a lot. We have to see this area first. If it is break this area 1407 to 1409, then our next target should be 1395. It is break that and then 1385. That will be our one of B buyer zone. As you can see, there's one of our support, strong support here. So we can buy from that level as well, 30, 40, 50 pips stop loss, and then we will see if it will go down, start going down, then the next target is 1350, and then it will go more further down, at least 30 or 12, but it's not gonna happen everything today. We have to see, because when the Fed rates come about UK time is 7 o'clock, yeah. After that they have FOMC press conference as well, so we have to keep eye on that press conference as well, what they're gonna say in that press conference, and we will trade according to that. Okay, let's move to USD JPY. Yeah, same thing with USD JPY as well. Fed rates is gonna, because we have a forecast of the Fed rates is gonna decrease, so we are expecting USD Jpy to fall, and it will fall along. But again, we have to keep eye on Fed rates, what's gonna happen. So if the Fed rates will decrease, USD Jpy will fall. At least for our this support level is 107.20. If it will stable or increase, then USD Jpy will go up. So that's it guys for now. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated for my upcoming video. If you have any kind of question, you can comment me and I will answer you that. Please like my video, share my video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Bye. Cheers.